Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name remains Toluwani. On this channel, I upload videos on businesses, on career, and on education. So if you are new here, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You have a place in my heart. So please, before we go into the business of the day, if you have not subscribed, make sure you do so. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much. So today, I want to talk about 10 business ideas that you can start. Yes, just 10 good business ideas that you can start. 50,000 naira. Are you happy to hear that? Even though things are expensive, even though things has gone up, but you can still start business with 50,000 naira. It might not really be the main business that you are doing, but you can use it to support that which you are doing. So let's go right into the business of the day. First business idea I'll be talking about today is you selling of bed sheets. Yes, people actually don't know that this business is lucrative and it is what you can do. When you start doing it, it has gain on it, and it's something that will grow. And you can also start it with just 50,000 naira. So when you start it, it's going to grow up. So what are you still waiting for? It might not actually be everything that is going to be useful for you, but one or two parts of it will still be useful for you. Please make sure you watch to the end, because I have 2 bonus ideas of business that you can start with just 50,000 naira. So I'll be saying it at the end of the video. Please make sure you watch till the end. So another business I want to talk about is you selling of soaps like detergent, washing soap, and every other soap like that. You want to ask me why I'm bringing this idea? It is just because it is what it is being needed. We make use of it in our various houses. We wash clothes, we wash plates, and we do house chores. So soap, it is what it is being needed. So when you start this business, it will definitely grow. Yes, it will grow. So you can start it, and before you know it, it will become big in your hands. So another business I want to talk about is you selling of phone accessories. Using a phone, it is what everybody is using. So when you are selling phone accessories, selling of charger, like the screen guard, like Bluetooth, like earpicks, before you know it, because it is what we are using on a daily basis. So it is part of the essential thing that is being needed for us. So people will definitely patronize you. So another business I want to talk about is selling of akara and bread. Yes, people do go to work early in the morning, and some people will not cook in their various house, so they will have budgeted themselves, I'm going to buy akara and bread. So early in the morning, people will definitely buy because they will eat. So when you start this business, it will definitely grow. You can start with just 50,000 naira. Another business idea I'm bringing to your doorstep is selling of ankara. Everybody is not going to go to Idumota. Everybody is not going to go to any big business, any big market near you. But when you start small, people will definitely patronize it, because we are wearing clothes on a daily basis. So when you start this business, it will definitely grow. So another business idea I want to bring to your doorstep is you selling of granules and banana. Yes, they call it boli and ekpa. So people love eating it like that. People love eating boli and ekpa, and some people are doing it to be able to take care of themselves, and they are doing fine. So when you start, it is what would definitely grow, and people will buy it because it is a business and it is being needed. See, let me give you these tips. Any business that has to do with what we are eating, yes, what we are hitting, people would definitely patronize it. That's the true fact. We eat on a daily basis. We wear clothes every day. That's the truth. So when you start it, people will definitely patronize you. Yes. So just think about and make sure you start. A lot of people has different idea of I want to do this, but they are unable to start because there is always fear of unknown in you starting a business of, hey, am I going to make, is it going to grow? The truth fact is that it will grow. Yes, it will grow. I'm a business person and I'm still doing business, so it will definitely grow. Erase that fear in your heart, and before you know it, it will grow. So let's continue. Another business idea I want to bring to your doorstep is you selling of second-hand clothes, aka Okirika clothes. So it is business that you can start with. So when you have 50,000 naira, go to market, go and buy the second-hand clothes. People wear clothes every day, so forget about it. You will definitely sell. They wear clothes every day, and you will definitely sell. It is what people are using every day, so you will sell. So the last thing I will be talking about is you selling of Indomie take home. Is people also eat Indomie. Yes, we have Indomie lovers. Indomie and egg. Like they will fry the egg on it. Oh, wow, you will enjoy yourself. So like selling of Indomie and egg. Yes, because people will definitely eat. So when you are doing this business, it will definitely grow. So it's what people will definitely patronize you of. So when you are doing it, so what are you still waiting for? So the two bonus I talked about is you selling of ear accessories. When you are selling ear accessories, like we plait ear and we need things for our ear growth, we like ear bone and every other ear clip. So when you are selling that, people will definitely patronize you. And another bonus I want to talk about is you selling of footwears, like slippers, like sandals. You cannot be working with our foot leg, so we'll definitely wear something. So when you are selling that, people will definitely patronize it, and before you know it, it will grow. So the ninth business idea I want to talk about is you selling of drinks. So when you sell drinks, like you doing of kunu, sobo, like you need to find an environment that people used to pass very well, like bus stop, so you can add egg roll to it. So when egg roll is being added to it, people will definitely buy and they are going to eat. So it is what you can start. When you start, people will definitely patronize you for doing that. And the 10th one is fried yam with pepper and with sweet potato. Yes, sweet potato. Yeah. When you start it, like people will definitely patronize you and they will buy. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you still waiting for? Because there are a lot of content that will be coming that is going to be helpful for you. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you press the notification bell, and make sure you press the thumb up so that it will be recommended for other viewers to see. So till we meet again, bye. Please make sure you share it for other people to see. Bye.